On this video, I'm going to do a cheer makeup look that's simple but gives a glamorous finish for your performance. I start with the eyeshadow primer and apply all over the entire eyelid. This helps the eyeshadow stay on when applying and last the whole day. The next thing I do is apply the eyeshadow using the Luxury Split eyeshadow in the deep olive and gold color. I start with the light color first in the inner corner and then the dark color in the outer corner of the eye. After I apply the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this beautiful shimmer blue liquid eyeliner for a pop of color to match my uniform and add sparkle. Next, I apply my blush in the Cherry Bomb color to make my cheeks nice and rosy. Next, I apply a highlighter stick to give that pretty glow when the light shines on my skin. I blend it in softly with a little brush and apply to my nose, forehead, and cheek area. The last step, I'm going to add my metallic lip gloss in the red with a hint of gold to add a shimmery touch that completes the look. All of these products are available in my Star Glam beauty bag. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.